Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and very easy to make designer style cutting and stitching ideas. In this video I am sharing very easy, I am saying it again and emphasizing easy word again, because those who are beginners of stitching, those who are beginners of sewing, those who are learning the art of tailoring, this video collection is absolutely for them. And the beauty of these designs is that these designs are 3-in-1 very pretty and beautiful designs. Yes friends, you have heard it right. 3-in-1 means that these designs could be used for designing your sleeves, for designing your trousers, and as well at the same time for designing your shirt borders. So they could be used into 3 different ways, 3 different dimensions. All of these very beautiful designs are absolutely favorable for your Eid dress designing, that dresses that you are going to design for your Eid and some festivals other like Holi, Baisakhi, Diwali, and some other traditional more than Eastern, Western outfits could also be designed by using these very easy and beautiful design ideas. All you have to do is just take some highlighting color fabric and start designing these patterns. And all of these are totally simple and easy basic rules of stitching ideas based, just like use of pearls, some tuck-in style techniques, some pleat strategies, some cut work, some piping style designing ideas, and some pearls tuck-in into piping based loops. Now all you have to do is kindly follow these patterns and design a very beautiful, very unique, trendy, eye-catchy, very pretty design at your home by just following these patterns. And you don't have to go to tailors and pay a very high amount of stitching cost for your dresses. And if you want to get some more stylish, trendy and amazing ideas related to women fashion like dress designing, hand art, hand embroidery, crochet work, mirror work, fabric painting, and much more related to women fashion, then friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And while subscribing, do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Friends, if you have really liked my design ideas, if you really liked my today's video, then don't forget to like my video, and kindly do make a habit of massively sharing my videos with your friends and family, so that we could reach into a very huge, large and a remarkable YouTube family. And not only this, you can find each and every type of category, design ideas, hand art, handmade stuff, creative DIY ideas, home decor ideas, baby girl dress designing, ladies dress designing, and much more related to women fashion world, like jewelry design ideas, handmade jewelry, crochet jewelry, embroidered jewelry, original gemstones, nail art design ideas, girls fashionable accessories, bedsheet designing, baby girl dresses designing, handmade footwear, handbags, girls fashionable accessories, and much more, to a vast world of and different broader perspective and meaning of categories of women fashion. So friends, with this, allow me to leave. Don't go anywhere else. Kindly you watch the video till end. I bet that at the end of the video you will be amazed and you will make up your mind that how you are going to design your dresses, your kurtis, your shirts, your trousers, your capris, your sleeve designing, your neckline. And thank you so much for watching my today's content.